Alliteration. Definition. The repeated use of a particular letter or sound at the beginning of two or more words in a sentence is known as an alliteration, or the repetition of same letter or sound at the beginning of two or more words in a line is regarded as an alliteration. Examples. Example number 1. Sally sails she sails by the seashore. In this sentence, S sound repeats at the beginning of Sally sails, she sails, she, and shore. Thus, it is an example of alliteration. Look at some more illustrations. Example number 2. Lalan, Lata and Leela laughed loudly in the laundry. In this sentence, L sound repeats at the beginning of Lalan, Lata, Leela laughed loudly and laundry. Example number 3. Go and gather the green grass lying on the ground. Here, G sound repeat at the beginning of go, gather, green, grass and ground. Example number 4. Please put away your paints and practice playing your piano. In this sentence, P sound repeats at the beginning of please, put, paints, practice, playing and piano. Example number 5. Those lazy lizards are lying like lumps in the leaves. Here L sound repeats at the beginning of lazy lizards lying like lumps and leaves. Example number 6. Black bug bit a big black bear. Here B sound repeats at the beginning of black bug bit big black and bear. Example number 7. Lalan and Lata like to lead a luxurious life like a landlord. In this sentence, L sound repeats at the beginning of Lalan, Lata, like, lead, luxurious, life, like, land, and lord. Example number 8. Sheep should sleep in safe shade. In this sentence, a sound repeats at the beginning of sheep, should, sleep, safe, and shade. Example number 9. Wayne went to Wales to watch walrus. Here, W sound repeats at the beginning of Wayne, went, Wales, watch, and walruses. Example number 10. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. In this sentence, G sound repeats at the beginning of could and good, and C sound repeats at the beginning of cook, could, cook, cookies, cook, could, cook, and cookies. Example number 11. Parul planted some popular, pretty, pink poppies in the pot. Here P sound repeats in the beginning of Parul, plant, popular, pretty, pink, poppies, and pot. Example number 12. Pappu Pandey is such a person who has a pure, provocative plan. In this illustration, P sound repeats at the beginning of Pappu Pandey, person, pure, provocative, and plan. Example number 13. Friendly frogs frolic freely in the forest. In this sentence, F sound repeats at the beginning of friendly, frogs, frolic, freely, and forest. Example number 14. Sohan sang some sweet songs in his society. Here a sound repeats at the beginning of Sohan sang some sweet songs and society. Example number 15. Bunty bought butter, but the butter was bitter. So Bunty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Here B sound repeats at the beginning of Bunty bought butter, but butter, bitter, Bunty bought better, butter, bitter, butter, and better. Example number 16. Escalators and elevators are enemies of each other. In this sentence, each sound repeats at the beginning of escalators, elevators, enemies, and each. Example number 17. I saw a saw that could outsaw any other saw I ever saw. In this sentence, a sound repeats at the beginning of saw, 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 and saw. Example number 18. Little Larry likes licking the sticky lollipops. In this sentence, L sound repeats at the beginning of Little Larry likes licking and lollipops. Example number 19. Mischievous monkeys munch on mangoes in the morning. In this sentence, M sound repeats at the beginning of mischievous, monkeys, munch, mangoes, and morning. Last example 20 number. Busy bees buzz by the blooming blossoms. In this sentence, B sound repeats at the beginning of busy, bees, buzz, by, blooming, and blossoms.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos, feel free to show your support by liking, subscribing and sharing. You can also watch the other videos from the playlist of my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.